For the first time ever, na-hold tayo sa customs. Nag-secondary inspection tayo. And dahil sa, bakit tayo na-hold?
Yung oranges ko na tatlo.
yung oranges from Tacloban. Bawal po yung fruits, vegetables, papunta ng US, and I'm not sure if even Canada. Bait naman yung customs officer. Sabi ko, she's a mother. She has fruits. Tapos sabi ko, I understand. Mabilis lang naman tayo doon. Medyo kinabahan ako kasi shucks, first time kong ma-hold sa customs. Kasi diba usually bigay passport, tapos labas na. Tapos ay pinapasok kami sa isang room. Pero mabilis lang naman. So it's not something na we had to worry about kasi parang inassure naman ng officer na makakalabas kami as long as wala kaming fruits, vegetables, meat. Pwede nyo rin naman i-check online kung ano mga pinagbabawal sa destination ninyo. Papunta tayong US, dito sa Vancouver, bawal yung mga ganong items. And kung kayo guys ay magta-travel in the Philippines, in Canada, in the US, or anywhere else in the world, you can book your activities, travel items on Klook and use my promo code DaveGinoKlook para maka-discount kayo. You can also book your hotel. Pabalik tayo dito sa Vancouver, nag-book tayo ng hotel natin sa Agoda. You can use my code, DaveAgoda, para maka-discount din kayo sa hotels, okay? So here from Canada, thank you. This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler.